Hello, my dear Bacha Bati. Welcome to the another lecture of Standard 9, chapter number 6, tissues. The previous lecture we had completed the particular plant tissues. Now we will go through the animal tissues. Here you are watching the classification of the animal tissues, that the animal tissues are first classified into the epithelius, then it is the connective tissues, muscular tissues, and the nerve tissues. Clear? Then each of the things is going to be classified into the different types of form. Take a screenshot or pose it and write in your book. So we will move it further. This is Sufyan Sarwat explaining you the easy way to understand the science. Clear? So the animal tissues are of the particular four types. One is that epithelium, next is connectivity, another is that muscular, and then nerves. So one by one we will understand with the easy way. So epithelium tissues or epithelial tissues, or we can say epithelium tissues. What is that? It consists of single layer of cells. Blood vessels are absent. So epithelium tissues, it is made up of four. It is made up of the single layer. Clear? And in epithelium tissues there is a absence of blood vessels. Blood vessels means what? Veins. नस बोलते हैं ना, नसें हमारे शरीर में जो होती है, it's the blood vessels. Why it is called blood vessel? Because it carries the blood from one place to another, pathway of the blood. Clear? It covers all the organs, the skins, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, kidney, tubules, etc. are made up of these tissues. Now, epithelium tissues is cover all the things, all the organs, not even the outer portion, even the inner portion. All the organs like heart, small intestine, big intestines, in the human reproductive system, all the, even that the skin's layer, हर कुछ वो cover करता है. Even that the lining of mouth. Lining of mouth means in the mouth, inside the mouth also there is the skin, so it is covered that portion also. Over there is a presence of what? Epithelial tissues. Now, epithelium tissues are have the four parts. One is this squamous, then cuboidal, then columnar, or we can say the ciliated, or the last and the final is then stratified squamous. Now, one by one we will study it. What is that? Squamous epithelium. Cells arrange end to end like tiles of floor. Here you are watching the diagram. There is an end to end type tiles of floor. You can observe that it's look like a tiles. हर चीज वहाँ पे perfectly connected है end to end type में. Clear? So it look like a tiles of floors. It form lining of cavity. Means what? It is form lining of cavity. Is just lining is simply that the skin inner portion. Clear? Lining of cavity of mouth, esophagus, nose, alveoli, and etc. This type of things it is covered. Clear? It also form blood vessels covering of tongues and skins. So squamous tissues are formed what? It's from the blood vessels. Clear? And what? Covering the tongues. When you take out your tongues, you can find that the theme cheese की तरह होता है, एकदम पतला, और you can say the floor type, हर एक जगह से particular simply corner से एकदम perfect रहा है. Clear? There is a word squamous tissues. You can touch it. Epithelium cells are arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear in skins. So epithelium are going to be arranged in what? Particular layer. स्किन की हमारी बहुत सारे लेयर होते हैं ना, आप ऊपर की स्किन निकालोगे तो उसके नीचे स्किन, उसके नीचे स्किन, उसके नीचे स्किन. Why? Because if our upper portion is going to be damaged, then the blood and the organs are not going to be seen outside, and the blood is not come outside. वो पूरी तरह से protective है. Clear? So what they are doing? They are arranged in many layers for prevent the wear and the tear. Clear? Now, cubical epithelium. So what is cubical epithelium? It's look like a cubic form. By watching this diagram, you can observe it that it's look like a cubic form. This. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's look like a cubic form. Clear? So it is a what the cells of tissues are cubic in shape. Clear? You can observe it here. Then it found in kidney, thyroid vesicles, and in the glands. Thyroid vesicles is present in our neck. Clear? ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर जो नेक होता है ना, यहाँ पे थायराइड का होता है. दैट यू विल स्टडी इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड इन द फर्दर लेटर, बट यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट इट इज फाउंड इन द किडनी एंड द थायराइड वेसल्स and in the glands. Gland means simply that the particular hormones are going to be released. Clear? We think that saliva is one type of hormones. Clear? Then sweats, why the release of sweats? Because to maintain our body temperature. Clear? It's also provide mechanical support. It is a cube-like structure, so it's also going to be provide the mechanical support. It form germinal epithelium like testes and the ovaries, the special body parts of male and the woman's reproductive system. It's also going to be a form. Now, columnar epithelium. Why it is called as columnar? Because it's from the column like, means pillar like structure, इस type का है. You can observe it that this corner, clear? ये corner आप देखो, green color, clear? So you can observe it clearly here also, clear? So what pillar like structure? It form lining of stomach. The inner portion of skins of the stomach, it is formed by this, clear? This type of tissues. You are observing, sir, this is the how it can be possible. Our stomach is particular in the different structure. So bacha bade, this is what, this is the tissues. This you can observe it in the microscopic level. Clear? कि वो किस तरह से बना है, उसकी लेयर किस तरह से बनी हुई, कितनी मोटी है, कितनी पतली है, किस तरह से है, वो सब दिख रहा है. क्लियर? It also forms a small intestine, large intestines, etc. Clear? It have a thread on its surface. It help in the absorption. Clear? So in the upper layer there is a presence of what? There is a presence of thread-like structure. Clear? Thread. Why there is a thread? To absorb the helpful thing or the nutrients and the materials which is needed to our body. It's going to be absorbed by this position. ये thread होगी ना, वो absorb करेगी. Clear? Now the sterified squamous epithelium. What is sterified? It consists of squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium we had already studied that it's the layer is in the floor type. ऊपर the floor type दिखेगा, तो आपको दिख रहा है. Clear? Orange in the layer, present in uterus, esophagus, etc. Esophagus which is present in our particular neck. Clear? Esophagus वहाँ पे present है. In the uterus also these type of tissues are present. Clear? Means our body parts are made up of the multi-layer of the tissues. बहुत सारे tissues से बने हुए हैं. Clear? So which tissues are used in which part that we are studying here. Clear? And this is the microscopic level of the diagram. So with our naked eye it is not possible to observe. So how we can observe it? By taking the small layer of the skin and with the solution, when we applying the solution and when we observe it in the particular the microscopic level, then we can observe it this type of things. Clear? Now the connective tissues, we very know that what is connective tissues. जो चीज हमें connect करती है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह को, it is simple that it's the connective tissues. So what is that? So the cells of connective tissues are widely spread. Clear? So it is widely spread to our body systems. The basic function is to support and connect the different organs. How it can be a support? If someone going to be pinch you, then वो आपको pinch करता ना रहे continuously, तो वो आपको उससे बचाएगा. Even that blood circulatory is going to be formed from one place to another. It also the connective, because एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे blood vessels जा रहे हैं, fluid जा रहा है. It's a connective tissues. आपके बॉडी को कनेक्ट करके रखता है. इफ देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ ब्लड इन आवर बॉडी, और इफ द ब्लड इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी सप्लाइड टू योर लेग, देन देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन कम हो गया तो वो बॉडी पार्ट नहीं चलेगा, वर्क नहीं करेगा प्रॉपर्ली. सो इट गोइंग टू बी कनेक्ट टू वॉल ऑफ द बॉडी. So the connective tissues are of the four type. One is a areolar, then adipose, skeletals, and the fluid. So what is areolar tissues? These tissues fill the space inside the organs. Clear? What is that? It's the fill the space. वो जगह पूरता है. Fill the space inside the organs and is between the skins and the muscle. So this is our skin. Clear? Suppose, and this is our muscles. So where it is present? Between. Clear? So over these portion they can found it. Clear? Between the skins and the muscles. Now around the blood vessels means in the veins. ये आपकी वेन्स होगी तो उसके आजू बाजू के अंदर होगा. Clear? That this is our veins. So at this place around the blood vessel, nerves, and in the bone marrow. In the bone marrow also there is a place. Bone marrow is simple that two bones are going to be connected with some liquids, ligaments and liquids over there. It's the bone marrow. Clear? दो हड्डी के ढांचे होते हैं, दोनों के बीच के अंदर जो होता है ना लिगमेंट और लिक्विड, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? बोन मैरो बोलते हैं. क्लियर? एडिपोस टिश्यूज. सो व्हाट इज दैट? It found below the skin layer around the heart. Clear? So if there is a heart, so around the heart there is a presence of adipose tissues, and below the skin layer, because the heart is below the skin layer. Brain and below eye bone. Our eye is very big in size. तो जब आंख बाहर निकलती है उसके आंखों के नीचे भी ये टिश्यूज प्रेजेंट है. इट एक्ट एज एन इंसुलेटर एंड प्रिवेंट लॉस ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. इट गोइंग टू बी एक्ट एज एन इंसुलेटर, सो इट गोइंग टू प्रिवेंट टू don't lose our body temperature. Clear? Now the connective tissues, there is a third part is in skeletals. So skeletals have what different type of skeletals means. Skeletal means simply that the bones or our body in which how our body is going to be framed, किस तरह से बनी हुई वो. So it is made of the bone, ligament, tendons, cartilage. So one by one we will study it. It formed the framework. Bone is formed the framework that support the body. Our bone is going to be support the whole body. It is able to stand with the use of the bone. It is not flexible. It is not possible to bend the bone. If you bend the bone, it is going to be a crack, like a fracture. Made of the calcium and the phosphorus. This is important that how is the bone is made up of. So it is made up of the calcium and the phosphorus compound. Clear? IQ question is also there. Ligament. Two bone connect to each other by ligament. This is very elastic. This portion you can observe it. Clear? So this is one bone, this is another bone, and between that there is a presence of what? Ligament, and it is very elastic. Now the tendon, it connects muscles to bone. Clear? And it is fibrous with great strength and limited flexibility. You can observe it here that this is our muscles. These are our muscles, and this muscle is going to be connected from shoulder bone to this elbow bone. This green portion you are observing, the color, green color, it is what? It's a tendon. clear, and it have the limited, this is the tendon, green portion of tendon है जो muscle के साथ connected है, shoulder के साथ, clear. So it connect the muscles and bones, clear. It is a fibers with the great strength, they have the great strength that when you take the exercise and all the things, exercise कर रहे, gymming कर रहे, so they have the amazing strength, clear, and the limited flexibility. They are not possible to flexible each and every direction, they have a particular limitation. Now the skeletons have the cartilage. Cartilage, we know very well that what is cartilage. It is present in the pinna, nose. So this is elastic, less harder to other bone. Clear? It is less harder to other bone. There is a presence lots of bones present in our body, 206 bone, but pinna is not harder like such type of bones. It is composed of what? Protein and the sugar. This is also the important thing, that it is composed of protein and the sugar. It is present in the nose, ear and the larynx. Clear? In the particular word, in the neck. Larynx is present in the neck. श्वास नाड़ी बोलते हैं ना वो. Clear? So fluid, and or we can say the vascular tissue. So why we had not written the blood? Because in our body, blood is not a simple thing. In the blood there is a lots of types. So we had write the fluid. If we write the blood also, then also there is no problem. Clear? So it is a vascular tissues. Blood help transport of many substances like gas, hormones, etc. Blood are always transport the hormones, different type of hormones. If your age is going to be changed, it produces the hormones. It also carries the gases like carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Blood has a fluid matrix called plasma. Blood have one fluid matrix which is known as what? Plasma. And in the plasma there is a RBC, WBC, platelets are suspended. In the plasma there is a presence of RBC, WBC and platelets. Clear? So what is that? We will study it. And also contain proteins, salts and hormones. This type of also things are present in the blood. So what is RBC? It contains red colored respiratory pigments. Clear? So RBC is containing both pigment, red color respiratory. Respiratory means simple that oxygen, and the pigment means the color. Red color लेके चल रहा है is known as what? Is the hemoglobin. With the hemoglobin, our color of the blood is red in color. If there is no hemoglobin, there is no red color. The red color hemoglobin की वजह से आ रहा है. That help in the transportations of oxygen. Clear? Now, WBC we know very well that it's like immune systems that they protect our body by harmful bacteria. Clear? And platelets that you had might not be familiar with. Maybe it involves a clotting of blood. That I will give you one simple example, that when you are playing and suddenly you are fall down and the blood is coming out from the damaged portion of your body, और वहाँ पे खून जम जाता है ना, खून जम जाता है. That after some few minutes you are able to suppose that blood is not coming from their parts. Why? Because of the platelets. Because if there is no platelets, then what's happened? Then blood is going to be comes outside RBC and WBC और वहाँ पे इंसान मर जाएगा. But with the platelets वहाँ पे क्या होगा? कोटिंग हो जाएगी, एक लेयर बन जाएगी. क्लियर? और ब्लड जम जाएगा. क्लियर? Now muscular tissues. Movement happen in our body by the help of muscular tissues. Yeah. Without muscles, it is rare to possible that our body is going to work properly. Yeah. It's only the muscular tissues which help to our body to move. Clear? They are capable of contraction and the relaxation. Clear? Now the muscular tissues have the ability to contract and the relax. They have the four type. One is that striated muscle, smooth muscle, and the cardiac muscle. Cardiac is only present in the heart. Clear? Now what is that? So striated muscles or skeletal muscle. These muscles are attached to the skeletal by tendon. Clear? This is a tendon and it is attached with the skeletals. Clear? And voluntary. What is voluntary? Voluntary is the simple that we have particular that ability to move that muscles. हमारे पास वो ability है, वो अपने आप move नहीं होगी, हम move करवाएंगे तो ही वो होगी. Like a simple that if you want to move your hand, then without your permission, is it possible to move your hand? No, बच्चा पार्टी. आपको हाथ नहीं चलाना तो आप ऐसे ही बैठे हो. But if you want to drink the water, then you are just with the use of your hand, with the use of your muscle, you are drinking the water. So it's the word voluntary. This muscle get tired and need relax. But we know very well that जो चीज हमारे हाथ में होती है वो कंटाल जाती है. It's tired and it needs the rest. Clear? Cells of this muscle. So how we are not to imagine that? Okay. So when you do the push-ups or when you go in the gym, after a half an hour you can observe that आपकी body एकदम थक गई. और if you are holding the dumbbells, तो 5 या 6 बार आपने dumbbells उठाए तो आपके हाथ होगा. This muscle is going to be a pain because they needs what rest. Right? The cells of these multi-nucleate and unbranched. They have the multi-nucleus. That here, this is one type of cell, and here the multi-nucleus. Clear? The green portion you are observing the multi-nucleus, and it's the unbranched. Unbranched मतलब उसके अंदर से दूसरा ऐसा कोई निकल नहीं रही है. Clear? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It contains specific proteins called contractile protein. Which type of protein they have? Contractile protein, and from that they are contract and relax. Yeah? Which contract and relax the cause of movement. Yeah? Now the smooth muscle, what is that? These muscles are involuntary. Involuntary means what? We don't have such power to control this type of muscle. वो अपने आप हो रहा है तो होने देने का. And uninucleate means they have only one nucleus. Are spindle shape. Spindle means both ends are sharp. ये देखो, you can observe it, this diagram. Clear? The both ends are very thin. Clear? These are found in the wall of stomach. Clear? In the wall of stomach you can find it, these tissues, intestine, bronchi, iris of etc. Clear? Now cardiac muscles. This type of structure is very important. Bacha party. Clear? This is the structure is very important. Now cardiac muscle. So what is cardiac muscle? These muscles are involuntary. This is also involuntary. This is also involuntary because these smooth muscles are present in the stomach. Clear? And is it the digestive system of our body, intestine and the stomach are in our control, or it is automatic the digestive systems are working. आपने खाया, digestion शुरू हो गया. Clear? So ये क्या हो रहा है? Involuntary because human are always lazy और वो मतलब थक जाते हैं बार बार. और हमारे हाथ में सब होगा तो क्या होगा? चलो आज के दिन रहने दो, कल कर लेंगे वो काम. तो ये कल में पता हो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. So cardiac muscles are also the involuntary, that heart beats. Clear? If we have control to heartbeat, then what we think? चलो थोड़ी देर के बाद heartbeat बजा देते हैं. So it is very disadvantage. मतलब हंसी मजाक है, but it's involuntary. Only found in the wall of heart. In the wall of heart it is found. Clear? They are uninucleate and branch. They have a particular branch. You can observe it that uninucleate means ये एक portion हो गया. That yellow you are seeing. Clear? दूसरा, ये तीसरा हो गया. एंड दे हैव ब्रांच, देखो यहाँ से एक निकला, यहाँ से एक निकला. सो दे हैव द ब्रांच. In this muscle, rhythmic contraction and relaxation occur throughout life. In a whole life, the rhythmic formation are going to be walk. Clear? It's a rhythmic, and throughout our life, the heart is going to be a walk. It's very elastic. Now the nerve system, amazing things. Without the nerve system, it is not possible to walk it properly. Clear? Means in our body, each and everything, each and every single cell, even that single tissues, body organs, it is very necessary. उसको आप निकाल नहीं सकते हो. Clear? That if you are thinking that I need only one hand, it is quite possible. But दूसरा आदमी कहीं ना कहीं आपको use हो रहा है. Clear? If you are thinking that I need only one leg, then it is not possible to ride the cycle or walk properly. Means each and every portion of your body, it is very important. Okay, now the nervous tissues, the cells of the nervous tissues are highly specialized for bringing a stimulus and then transmit to stimulus very rapidly from one place to another. If someone pinch you, then it is suddenly react and transmit that signal to our brain, and brain is going to be walk. Means simply that if a small particular insects are bite to your hand, then it stimulates you. मतलब उत्तेजित हो जाएगा, आपको बॉडी को तुरंत सिग्नल भिजवाएगा. And suddenly your next hand comes to that portion, वो इंसेक्ट्स को मारने के लिए. क्लियर? सो वो विद इन ए माइक्रोसेकेंड से भी बहुत छोटा, नैनो सेकेंड के अंदर ये काम हो जाता है. क्लियर? तुरंत ये वर्क हुआ. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी हैंग लाइक अ मोबाइल. क्लियर? The brain, spinal cords and the nerves are all composed of nervous tissues. Brain, spinal cords, nerves are made up of these nervous tissues. Where is the spinal cord present? In the between the backbone. Backbone and the spinal cord are very different to each other. Clear? Now this is our nervous tissues. This is also the important diagram. And 10th standard there will be come. Clear? The further details. So this portion is it's a dendril. This is our nucleus, red color. Then is a axon. ये joint है. Clear? And the end portion is nervous ending. Clear? With the nerves ending, our chapter is going to be an end. So stay tuned with us. Bye bye bacha party. And one thing is always remember, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents and stay healthy. Goodbye.